Imagine the roar of the crowd, the rush of adrenaline, as the first goal hit the back of the net, a mere 3 minutes into the game. It was Arsenal's day, and they made sure everyone knew it. It started with a breathtaking goal from the Arsenal striker, a shot that swept past Sheffield United's goalkeeper like a bullet. The energy was palpable, the anticipation high. But little did anyone know, this was just the beginning of a goal fest that would leave everyone astounded. As the game unfolded, the Arsenal players moved like a well-oiled machine, their passes crisp, their movements fluid. Each attack was a work of art, each defense, a fortress. It felt as if they were playing a symphony and Sheffield United was simply there to bear witness. The second goal came in the 15th minute, a masterclass of teamwork and precision. The Arsenal midfielder sent a cross into the box, and the striker, with a perfectly timed leap, headed the ball into the net. 2-0 to Arsenal, and the game wasn't even halfway through. Sheffield United, on the other hand, struggled to keep up. Their attempts at goal were either blocked or went wide, their defenses torn apart by the relentless Arsenal attack. It wasn't a lack of effort, but rather, Arsenal's sheer brilliance that was overpowering. By halftime, the score was 4-0, with 2 more goals coming from Arsenal's dynamic duo in the midfield. The crowd was ecstatic, the cheers deafening, but the game was far from over. The second half started much like the first. Arsenal, refusing to take their foot off the gas, continued their onslaught. The fifth goal, a powerful shot from outside the box, hit the top corner of the net, leaving the Sheffield United goalkeeper stranded. As the final whistle approached, Arsenal added 1 more to their tally. A slick pass from the midfield found the striker, who coolly slotted the ball past the keeper. 6-0 to Arsenal, a scoreline that echoed their dominance throughout the game. This was a game that showcased Arsenal's prowess, their tactical superiority, their unyielding spirit. Sheffield United, while they fought valiantly, were simply outclassed on the day. It was a masterclass in football, a game that will be remembered for its sheer spectacle and the dominance of one team. In the end, Arsenal walked away with a resounding 6-0 victory, a testament to their skill and determination. It was a day of celebration for the Arsenal fans, a day of introspection for Sheffield United. But such is the beauty of football, a game of highs and lows, of triumphs and setbacks. And as the sun set on the stadium, the cheers of the Arsenal fans still echoed, a reminder of the game that was, a game that will go down in history as one of Arsenal's finest performances.